Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maggie Nolan with Living Radiant Photography, and today I'm actually going to show you guys how I sort and use PhotoMechanic to sort already edited images. Basically, first and foremost, every time we do this, you'll see on the left hand side that inside my edited folder, which these are all the pictures from the edited folder, I also have subfolders separating out every segment of the day. Okay, these currently are empty. You're only gonna drag the photos into the folders that apply. So you guys are just gonna watch me do a couple photos. So here's a segment of newlywed pictures. I'm gonna drag them into newlywed. These, real quick, are all JPEGs. Again, we've already edited in Lightroom. We have exported, and now we have brought all the edited photos into PhotoMechanic. From here, we're just gonna drag and drop photos. You'll see that there's some portraits mixed in, some pre-ceremony stuff. This is gonna go into a family portrait section. But here we go. So the beautiful part about this is that you can basically grab a huge section, drag it into, these are all ceremony, into the respective folder, and they're gonna disappear from the edited folder. And now they've been relocated into a separate and specific folder. Same with all these family pictures. We're gonna scroll down. This is a wedding we did in July. That's ready to go out the door. So let me go, there's a lot of family pictures, but it's gonna help us so much with separating it out. And when we go to do flash drives and upload to PixieSet. So here we go, I'm still scrolling. These are all family, still all family, keep scrolling. All right, end of family. Move all of them into family, okay? This is just what's left. We just have a bunch of newlywed pictures. So we're gonna move newlywed into here to the respective newlywed portraits. We have a detail here, so that's gonna go into details, as are the rings are gonna go into details. So all I'm doing, you guys, is just clicking on the first photo. I'm hitting Shift on the keyboard and picking the last one and dragging them in. All right, you guys, so this is where it gets really cool. So now there's nothing in the edited folder, but if we go back to the desktop edited folder, there's no picture, there's no photos here anymore, just the actual folders that we already have. So if I make this into columns, you guys are gonna see, make this big, you're gonna see that details has the ones we dragged. There's no getting ready, there's no reveal, there's no first look. There are newlywed pictures. There are brides photos that we did. I'm renaming these two. Family pictures, there were a lot that you guys helped me with. Bridesmaids, groomsmen, no. Full wedding party, no. Ceremony details, yes. Ceremony, of course. So this was a mini wedding. No cocktail hour, no reception, no send-off, no transportation, no drone, and there was one behind the scenes, which the client, they won't get that photo. That's just me being cute. So anyway, now you guys, super easy. That was literally how simple it was to use PhotoMechanic for sorting already edited photos and categorizing them into their respective folders.